So I built my own media center because I want one. XPMC is a huge code base. I mean, gigantic. It's in C++. There are Python plugins, but they suck. It has bugs, so even if you have plugins, you can't fix the bugs with the plugins. So, and I never want to write C++ ever again. I did it for 10 years, never again. So what is it? It's a Django backend. It's a small Objective-C frontend for the sort of each stuff. So it's Mac only for now. And video is played by VLC Kit, which is the sort of Mac bindings for VLC. It plays everything, basically everything. Yeah? Yes. Apple Remote keyboard and mouse navigation support. Automatically discovers all your files in downloads, even if they're really fucked up by, you know, these weird wares groups. Episode names from the TVDB. Remembers your position, even if you unplug the thing in the middle of it. It's gonna work. Retina HTML display. It supports Doctor Who, which I can tell you XPMC does not at all. It just sort of shows you black and white pictures from the 60s, and it's like, what the fuck are you doing? It's a very tiny code base, so it's under 1,000 lines of code of Python, JavaScript, Objective-C. It has a little weather widget. And, oops, that doesn't look very nice. Let's do this. And this presentation is a plugin in the system itself. That's the code. So find me on GitHub, CMi, that's the address. It's MIT license. That's my email address. And I think my time is up.
Oh, you still have 2 minutes and
I have 2 minutes left.
Minutes.
So,
can you show us the demo?
I don't have any nice videos on this thing, and the resolution is supposed to be like 1 billion times more than this. So it looks a bit weird. So sorry about that. But the cool thing is this. And that's only HTML and CSS. Straight up. Nothing else. Very small and nice to work with.
Great.
Talk with me afterwards.